Okay, so guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Physical Science TV, and definitely we are here to explain to you details of what physics is all about, the prerequisite that you need to know as a physics student, for especially SS3 students that are going to tertiary institution. Now let's talk about the principles of conversion of energy. Let's talk about principle of conservation of energy. What is conservation? When you hear the word conservation, what does that imply? What does that tell you when you say conservation? All right, the heat energy received by the steam turbine is not all changed into mechanical energy. Some of the energy is wasted in overcoming the friction. You know what is friction? Frictional forces now. To overcome the frictional forces in the wheels of the turbine, sound energy is also produced. Sound energy is also produced by the spinning wheels owing to air disturbance. However, if the whole generating plant receives 100 units of energy, initially in the form of heat from the coal used, the total energy produced, calculated by adding together all the different forms of energy, will still be 100 units. This leads to a statement known as the principle of the conservation of energy. It was reached after many years of experience, and it is recognized today as one of the most important principles in science. It states that in a given or a closed system, this is the principle of conservation of energy. The principle of conservation of energy. It states that in a given or a closed system, the total amount of energy is always constant. The total amount of energy is always constant, although energy may be changed from one form to another. Although energy may be changed from one form to another. Now, the principle of conservation of energy have categorically make it easier for you to know that in a given or a closed system. What do we mean a system? We mean like a circuit breaker. That's a system. We mean like let's say DC generator, like generators and stuff like that. It means a system. We talk about transformers. It means a system. Understand? So now, say it states that in a given or a closed system, the total amount of energy is always constant. In a system, the energy that the system produces are always constant. And that was why they say when you calculate, it gives you 100 units, but vice versa. So it says that in a given or a closed system, the total amount of energy is always constant, although energy may be changed from one form to what. Alright guys, of course, I hope you are subscribing as we continue to go ahead in this particular course. It's all about physics, and don't forget that everything that you can feel and touch, it's all about physics, right? So next class we will discuss more and more on these subjects. Thank you so much.